In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an inverted image effect using Adobe Lightroom's Tone Curve feature. Whether you're using the desktop, web, or mobile version of Lightroom, these steps will help you achieve a striking and unique visual impact on your photos. So, let's dive in. First, you'll want to open the photo you intend to edit in Lightroom. This can be done on the desktop, via the web, or on your mobile device, whichever platform you're most comfortable with. Once your photo is open, head over to the Edit panel. Here, you'll find the Tone Curve section, which is one of the most powerful tools for manipulating the tonal contrast in your images. If you're using either the mobile or cloud versions of Lightroom, the Tone Curve panel might initially show up in a mode called Parametric, where adjustments are made through sliders. Our focus, however, will be on the point curve mode because it offers us more precise control by allowing us to manually place and adjust points. So, you'll need to switch the view to point curve mode. Now that you're in the point curve view, locate the bottom left corner point of the curve. This point normally represents the darkest areas in your photo, also known as the shadows. Click and drag this point upward towards the top left corner. Next, locate the top right corner point of the curve, which usually corresponds to the brightest highlights. You'll drag this point downward to the bottom right corner. By executing these actions, you effectively flip the tonal values of your image, achieving an inverted effect. After inverting the tone curve, it's important to note that your image might not look quite right just yet. This is because the other settings, like exposure, whites, and blacks, will now behave differently given the new tonal configuration. You may find, for instance, that increasing the exposure could make the image darker instead of lighter, which is the opposite of what you'd expect with a normal tonal curve. Feel free to experiment with these settings to get your image looking just the way you want it. One handy tip to keep in mind is that if you love this inverted effect and can see yourself using it again, you should save these tone curve adjustments as a preset. Doing this will allow you to apply the same inverted look to other photos with just a single click, saving you time and ensuring consistency across your edits. And there you have it. A quick and easy way to creatively invert your images using Lightroom's Tone Curve feature. Thanks for watching, and be sure to try this out on your photos to see the incredible transformations you can achieve. Happy editing!